Our facility receives tons of organic ginger, commencing a precise industrial journey from raw root to golden powder. We utilize advanced automated sorting to manage the colossal harvest and prepare the roots for initial processing. High-velocity air jets perform initial dry cleaning, efficiently removing loose organic matter. Precision optical scanning technology evaluates the geometry of every root to optimize the subsequent mechanical cleaning process. A controlled centrifugal feed ensures a steady, optimal flow of material into the high-pressure cleaning system. High-pressure water jets collide with organic ginger surfaces, stripping away residual soil with extreme mechanical precision. The rotating drum uses abrasive friction and water immersion to ensure every crevice is thoroughly sanitized. Ultrasonic cavitation creates microscopic bubbles that collapse against the ginger, removing final traces of impurities. Advanced multispectral sensors scan the wet roots at high speeds to detect discoloration or internal structural defects. High-velocity air knives strip surface moisture from the cleaned ginger, preparing the material for the slicing phase. Precision titanium blades instantly transform organic ginger roots into perfectly uniform slices with extreme industrial accuracy. A protective food-grade mist is applied immediately to preserve the vibrant color and flavor profile of the fresh slices. Automated air systems efficiently distribute the slices across the belt, ensuring a single layer for optimal dehydration later. Advanced sensors measure thickness with micron-level precision, providing real-time feedback to the high-speed slicing equipment. The uniform slices smoothly transition to the dehydration phase, moving into the massive continuous belt drying system. Intense thermal energy triggers rapid moisture evaporation, transforming fresh slices into concentrated, flavor-dense, dehydrated ginger chips. Rhythmic agitation ensures every chip achieves a uniform moisture profile, essential for maintaining the spice's structural integrity. Rapid cooling stabilizes the dehydrated structure, sealing in the essential oils and pungent ginger rolls for maximum potency. Precision moisture analysis confirms the transition to a perfectly dehydrated state, ready for the high-speed milling process. The finished chips descend toward the final processing stage, where mechanical forces will release their aromatic essence.
Precision filling systems dispense exact doses of golden powder into sterile glass jars with extreme industrial speed. Advanced electromagnetic induction creates a hermetic foil seal, locking in the potent aroma and volatile gingerol compounds. Automated capping actuators apply calibrated torque, ensuring every jar is secured for its global journey to consumers. Real-time weighing and optical inspection protocols guarantee that only perfect units proceed to the final labeling station. Advanced robotic systems coordinate the final stage, organizing multi-packs into high-density shipping containers for global distribution. High-speed palletizing robots execute complex stacking patterns with mathematical precision, maximizing logistics efficiency and cargo safety. Every layer is systematically oriented to ensure structural integrity, preparing the ginger powder for long-distance international transport. Industrial stretch film is applied under high tension, creating a moisture-resistant barrier that protects the product during shipping. Autonomous guided vehicles manage the final movement, seamlessly integrating the finished goods into the automated warehouse management system.
Our logistics network coordinates the efficient transfer of premium ginger powder to international markets across the globe.
Advanced containerization protocols ensure every batch is secured against moisture and temperature fluctuations during international ocean transit. From the facility to the port, our integrated supply chain maintains complete traceability of every organic ginger shipment. Global distribution systems track every unit, providing total transparency from the factory floor to the final consumer destination. The journey concludes at regional hubs, where our golden powder prepares for its final presentation in the marketplace. The final golden powder arrives in the kitchen, ready to release its intense aromatic warmth and medicinal benefits. Experience the ultimate sensory culmination of our industrial symphony, where material science meets the pure art of taste.